Oh, he's going for the second round. Ooh. That was kind of cool.
How's that shoveling going, Fish?
Good.
It is?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, it's going good.
Good job, bro. Gotta go a couple more boards out. Fisher, you going down the ramp, bro?
Yep.
How's that going?
Good.
It is?
One more fun.
It is? It's a lot easier? Okay.
I feel like it's so like it's a reward.
Fisher's doing a heck of a job on the shoveling. Good job, Fish.
Thank you, Dad.
Good job. Do it the way you were doing it, bro. You're just a little, there you go. Put a little rock salt down, Fish.
Yep.
This is how you do it, bro. You just
Sprinkle it.
sprinkle it real good. Just sprinkle it on down through there like that, right?
Yep.
That's all you gotta do, and then I'll show you one more time. Oh, look. Just okay. Be kind of generous down there with that salt, Fish, because bring that salt with you as you come. Get it real good, dude. You don't know. I mean, you got to get it real good. There you go. Is it cold out here, Fish?
Yeah, it's freezing. It's freezing out here.
It is?
Yep.
Okay. Good job, bro.
Thanks.
How cold is it?
I think it feels around like 0 degrees.
It's about 12 or 13. Here we go, Fish.
Yep, we're gonna go get some lunch and go to the post office.
Yep, roads are. See how these roads are this morning, right?
Yep, they're a little slick. Our roads haven't been ultra treated yet.
A little bit. I've only seen one
Salt truck.
one salt truck go through, so anyway, okay.
That's his hand controls. This is one of the best things he has, right, Dad?
Well, it's a good thing, that's for sure.
Right now, I'm far away from my dad, and he's acting like a fool over here. He's about to do circles, and I know it's about to happen. He's about to drift. Oh, look at him! Look at him and go! Oh, we only did one. Oh no! There goes his tires. Oh, he's going for the second round. Ooh, that was kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie. You can tell people have been doing this or something, because I mean there's a lot of circly tracks around here. Well, now he's wanting me to come over there. Let's see what he wants.
How was that, bro?
That was not actually that bad, Dad.
Okay, that's good. Was it cold out there, Fish?
Yep, it's freezing out there, Dad.
It is?
Yep.
We had intentions of building a snowman today, right, Fisher?
Yep, it's just way too cold.
Yeah, I don't know exactly what it is. It's probably like 10 or 11 right now. Last night was the coldest night of this little winter storm that's come through, which I guess is a big winter storm, but it was about 3. No, I think it was 1. It was 1 because I posted it on Facebook. Fisher, did you know that, Texas has really been hit? Did you know that?
No, because I always thought that Texas would always be hot because it's closer to the equator.
Well, if I'm not mistaken, what I've read is that Texas, this was their first winter storm watch of all time, ever. And they got hit with snow and the same kind of temperatures we got. And, they've lost, a lot of the states lost power, electricity. And, them people are really, having a hard time through this storm.
Yeah, that must be difficult. Having no power, you can't have cold water or any cold drink.
Mm-hmm. And some of Kentucky over on the eastern side got more ice than we did. And I think a lot of that part of the state has lost electricity. So, one thing that we want to make sure is that everybody that sees this, if you are from Texas or any state or any place that's got hit with this winter storm, you lost electricity, me and Fisher are definitely thinking about you, right, Fish?
Yep, we're thinking about you, and we hope you came through it okay. We didn't actually experience any power outages. Mm-hmm. We just kind of sit through it.
Yeah, just cold weather, and this is the first snow we've gotten in a couple years, and I think we got about 8 inches of snow, and
we're supposed to get more.
Yeah, and that's the thing, that's why we wanted to clean that spot out to get, to the car or whatever, because we're supposed to get around 2 to 4 more inches this Wednesday and Thursday combined. We'll see if we do. And, like I said, my best guess, we may not have got 8 inches here. I don't know. That's what the news said. It looked like to me more along the lines of 6, but, we'll call it 8. And we just hope everybody gets through this winter storm. And anything else, Fish?
Our school, if we get around any snow, any ice, they close it down Friday. It was either I think it was Wednesday, and they canceled school on Thursday, right, Dad?
Yep, you haven't been to school since last Thursday, and I'm sure you will not go the rest of this week. So, I hope everybody's staying warm. We hope everybody was able to make sure they had enough food and everything that they needed. And remember, it's up to us to make a difference in this world. And other than that, Fisher?
Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
And that includes you, Kitty. That's your cat, Fisher.
Yep, she better subscribe.
Yeah, you better subscribe, Kitty.
Or you'll get a whooping.
You're going to get the whooping. See y'all.
See y'all.